Hello, friend. This is Ryan Hicks of TalkToProfit.com, and today I'll talk to you about feeling abundance, and is that the way to receive abundance? See, many people today have this mistaken idea that all they can do is just feel a certain way, and they're going to naturally bring that in. They're going to attract that via the law of attraction. And while there's certainly some truth to that, you have to take action. Now, if you don't believe me, and you want, oh no, you don't understand, all I gotta do is just feel like I'm abundant, and abundance comes my way. That's great. Here's what you can do to test this out. Stop working for a month, stop doing whatever you do that brings in your income for a month, and just sit around feeling abundance. And at the end of that month, your net worth is going to be lower than when you began that month. This is not to discourage you from feeling abundance. This is to let you know that abundance is one of the pieces of the puzzle. If you only feel abundance and only practice that, you're leaving out the rest of the part, which is actually taking action when God inspires you and gives you wisdom into doing something and taking action in a certain area where it doesn't even make any sense, but you know you need to do that by faith, but you don't do it because you're just feeling abundance and you're just expecting money to float down out of heaven for you. It's not going to happen. And we know this from practical experience because you've seen people who, if they have $100, they feel abundant, but yet it didn't bring wealth and riches into their lives. They don't have huge amounts of abundance because they feel abundant having that $100, because there's other practical things that must take place in order to receive abundance. And yes, feeling abundant is one of those pieces of the puzzle, but it's not the whole puzzle. And doing that alone will only get you bad results. This is why so many people talk about, oh, the law of attraction doesn't work, and oh, I tried this, and because they're only doing parts. They're only doing bits and pieces. They're refusing to do the whole thing. And part of it is God will not reward you. His laws are not set up in his universe to reward people for laziness. They're not set up to reward you for refusing to do your due diligence, for refusing to do the things that you know you should be doing. So my friend, I want to encourage you today, really focus on feeling abundant, but then what is the leading of the Spirit for what you should be doing to put you down the path to that abundance? Is there anything that comes up? You need to call someone. You need to start this business. You need to run an ad for your product. What is there that bubbles up out of your spirit that you know, this is something I think I should do when I'm in this state of abundance and I'm feeling abundance. I'm feeling opulence. I'm feeling wealth. I'm feeling God's prosperity. And I feel this idea of I need to do this thing. Take action on that idea. Because in that abundant state of mind, in that abundant vibration, you are bringing forth the ideas that you need to get you to that abundance. These are ideas birthed out of abundance. And if you're just sitting around feeling abundant all day and not taking any action, you will not receive the abundance you so richly deserve. My friend, I pray this is a blessing for you. May God bless you richly.